What to do, YouTube? Man, I got the floorboard cut out on my 77 Caprice. You know, all this up there just surface rust. But I was gonna, lay there across there like that, and then I was gonna take this piece here. I'm just gonna come from the bottom and flush, sit it flush with the gap. And then I'm gonna cut it out around here. Just cut it out, spot weld it. Then I'm gonna take the excess left here and fill that space in right there. I know it's a lot, but I want it to look pretty much even. Then I'm gonna put the grooves into the board, into the baseboard of it, just like it was when I cut it out for stability. So got a little more work to do as far as cleaning this up right here. Then I gotta go on to the next one. Got 3 more to do. This floorboard over here pretty fine, just surface rust. But yep, I gotta do that, and then I'll be taking the whole dash out. I got a new dash pad for it. I'm gonna take it out and hook my vintage air up and get rid of all the old wiring and put some new wiring in here. Got a little painless wiring on this. But yeah, I think that's pretty much the hard part is getting the floorboard in. Got a pretty solid body except the floorboard, but no rust on the body itself. Got the whole seat. I might put bucket seats in there. Been thinking about it, but pretty much a solid body. I know y'all done probably seen my video before, so ain't no sense to keep going now. Yeah. Y'all got that grown mind going under the hood in just a minute though. I'm gonna take the whole front cap out, clean it up, pressure wash it, sandblast it, all of it. But this is what I'm working on right now. So as I'm gonna butt that up to that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go under and mark a line to show me where to cut. And then I'm gonna spot weld that in. I'm gonna trim just a little bit of this so I can spot weld this side over there. All the way down. And it's pretty much the same on the other side. Take it to the other side and let you see that. Yeah, the car was a miss. Make sure that ain't too bad. But yeah, see what I'm gonna do with this one. I'm gonna take that out right there, all the way around, and I'm gonna bend that to the shape of this, and I'm gonna spot weld that in. Everything that's pretty much good right here. That's pretty much good. But on up here, it's a little rough up here. So I gotta do pretty much the same thing over here. It's pretty much gone in the corner of crevice. So I'm gonna take it all the way over to the corner, all the way. And I'm gonna cut it out, put it back in. And I got a big piece of sheet metal for this side over here. I got that piece right there. So that should do it right there. That should do it. Yep. Other than that, doors closed pretty good. Been working on it slowly but surely. So I think this summer I want to bring it out. So I don't know. Just making sure ain't no rust. You gotta come off either way it go, but hey, a lot of surface rust on there from when I sanded on it. And this another thing I need to find out how to fix this, as far as this here and these here. I really ain't good at body work, so But I need to figure out how to do it. Price is too high for people. Price is too high, and they don't do a good job. They charge all their money and don't do a good job. But I'm taking the whole front cap off when I drop the big block off in there. I drop that big block off in there. There was something to do today. Really wasn't much to do. Got off work, decided to come work on my car. Clean this thing up. Clean it up. I think I'm gonna pull this out some more, spot where the holes in, all the holes, and bundle. Or not bundle, fiberglass or whatever. Whatever, because I guess that cracked up last time, so. Yep. But hey, it's the return of the 77. So. Wish I had more video to give y'all, but it's actually getting dark here. So I tried to do it like this. I don't know which one would be more easier. Even though I have to make multiple cuts going long ways like this. I kind of wanted to, I'd rather make multiple cuts going long ways than trying to fit that in. This, I don't know. I may be wrong. So it might go that way, but I still have to fit that in and that down there. So it's a better way to do it like this. Butt that up and fill that in and fill that in. However, I gotta get it done. I'm gonna clean this up some more. I got this here. I'm gonna just take this and clean all the way around everything. Clean everything up, and then I'm actually gonna undercoat it. Top on here and under there, undercoat it. I was actually thinking about the rhino line in the bottom of it. And I think they say that we'll deaden the sound. So, yeah. It's the return of the 77. Just need a couple more things. Glove box, a hood. I'm actually thinking about running that big block without a hood, so just need to get everything situated. Take care of it. I had a guy here in Memphis. I tried to find out what he charged to do door panels. He quoted me $400 a door panel. $400 a door panel. So I think that was a little steep. If you're gonna do $400 per door panel, I mean, it's almost $800. I could take it to Don's Interior and they could probably do it cheaper. So, I mean, even if they don't do it cheaper, at least I know it comes with a good satisfactory warranty. Or at least that. Yeah. Yep. Everything worked in this car when I first got it though. So when I put these new wire harness in, I hope everything should still be the same though. Just want to make sure it's right. And I did this thinking I was doing something good, but I should have fiberglassed it. I was bundoing it, and I didn't know how to mix bundo. When you squeeze it on there, you gotta flatten it. I was stirring it. Yep, get that. It's right there too. It'll be back. But hey, it's either here or there. One way or another, I gotta get it. Both of them on the road. Hey, man. But hey, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Catch y'all, like, subscribe, and comment, YouTubers. Thank you.